Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to test ride the bike after we have tuned it with the FP3 and we have completed a full stage 1. Alright, so I'm going to bring the fuel pack with me just in case I get some trouble codes or something, but we should be okay. We're going to go for a short ride down the highway and back, and I got some errands to run in town here, so we're going to see how well this bike pulls. Let's give it a start.
It's a lie! It's a lie!
Idle sounds pretty good. You know, I can really already tell the throttle response is a little bit better. Oh man, this is going to take a little getting used to. I know when I threw this on the FP3 on the Sporty to go full stage 1, I could really tell the difference. And I know since we got a much bigger engine here, and as handicapped as this engine is coming out of the factory, that this is going to be noticeably better. Alright, honestly right now I'm not noticing too much of a difference, but of course we haven't gotten her up to speed quite a bit. We're only doing 30 right now. No, but I've been looking forward to this for a long time, getting this bike tuned and the new air cleaners on. I love the look of the Arlen Ness big sucker. As you can see, they've been digging water lines all around town and everybody's boulevard's just a mess. So to reiterate from the last videos I shot, if you want to check those out, go to the link in the description below to where I installed the Tab Performance slip-on and the Arlen Ness big sucker. Then you can come back and watch this video again to see the response I get out of the motorcycle. Woohoo! That I felt. That I did feel. So we got 55 mile an hour roads coming up here. I'll be able to open this thing up a little bit. Let's see how she purrs. It's actually really nice out right now. The sun's hidden by the clouds. The wind's kind of cool. Humidity went down. It was really humid earlier when I was installing everything on here. Alright, second gear, getting ready to go into third here in just a minute. Alright, here we go, guys. Holy crap. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like it. She's breathing easy now. This bike is so smooth, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's just like a placebo thing, but man, it's just... Oh yeah. Yep. I noticed more pull right away. Bike's doing really well. And again, to let you guys know, the map I used when I used the FP3 fuel pack was the Vance and Hines Pro Pipe with the standard Baffle. I actually talked to Vance and Hines, and that is the map that they told me to run for my setup here. Again, Tab Performance, slip-on muffler with the Zombie Baffle, and the Arlen Ness big sucker for the Milwaukee 8. Alright, let's open it up a little bit. Oh my! Oh! M8's gotta love being able to breathe. Wow. Heck yeah, guys. This thing just screams and purrs and roars and just goes. I love it. So we're gonna head back to town now. I got a few errands to run, and that'll be about it for this video. We'll have to keep an eye on the bike to see how the D-cell pop is, because I was having quite a bit without the bike being tuned with just the slip-on on. Now they said to run this map with about 2 tankfuls of gas and then run auto-tune, but honestly, I don't think I'm going to do that, because when I ran auto-tune on my Sportster, I couldn't even get that bike to go. Like, it just died. So I'm not really a big fan of auto-tune. So I'll probably just stick to this, unless I really notice the bike running too lean or too rich or something. But, I mean, so far, so good. One thing I could notice right away, it seemed like first gear was a little sluggish on this bike compared to now. I mean, I know all the air that it's getting in from the Arlen Ness Big Sucker is really helping out with that. I do feel a lot more torque. I definitely feel the horsepower. Oh man, this bike runs great now, guys. Seriously. I love it. Just about harvest time. You see the corn's all turning golden brown, and it's going to start cooling down, and riding season is going to be just about coming to a close here, maybe about another month or so. But I had a lot of fun in this riding season this year. Well guys, that's all I got for today's video. Thank you for checking out this one, just like the others. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed my little Stage 1 series. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit that bell icon when you subscribe. That way you know I got videos out just like this one. Until next time, you take it sleazy. I'll see you in the next video.